Hey everyone, I know it's been quite some time since I have had a video up for you guys. I'm so sorry, but to be honest, between everything that was going on with Corona and then everything that was happening with the killing of the black people in the States, it's just taken a lot on me, and it's taken a toll mentally and emotionally. So I really needed to take a step back just from everything and clear my head. And then I wasn't feeling good, and time wasn't on my side, but I actually found some time and I had a tutorial that I really wanted to get up and share with you. So if you'd like to see how I came about with this rainbow smoosh mani, keep on watching. As always, with a lot of my nail art, I usually like to start with a white base, just because personally I do find it helps to make the colors pop more. And I'll be going and using Hansen Xtreme Wear White on. This is actually one of my favorite white polishes from a mainstream line. And my other one is, I think it's Sinful Colors, I think it's called Snow White. But those are my two go-to white polishes, just because I don't always need to do 3 coats. I can sometimes get away with 2, or depending, I can even get away with 1. Now, to seal everything in and help speed up the drying process, I'm using my all-time favorite top coat by Girly Cosmetics called What a Rush. Since this mani is going to be on the messier side, I am going in and protecting my cuticles with Girly Cosmetics Border Patrol. So for the smoosh mani, I'll be going in and using my all-time favorite clear jelly stamper Baked Bling. The first color I'll be using is this stunning red by O.P.I called Fashionable. And I'll just be going in and just placing random dots on the stamper with each of the colors. Next, I'm going in with Bad Bitch Polish Wipeout. Unfortunately, this brand is no longer making polishes, but this is such a lovely orange color. And next, I'll be using Hansen Xtreme Wear Mellow Yellow. Next, I'll be using this really gorgeous blue polish by Bad Bitch Polish called Summertime Blues. I'm running out of it and I'm sad because she doesn't make polishes anymore. Next, I'm going in and I'm using Morgan Taylor's Later Alligator. Honestly, this was the first Morgan Taylor polish that I ever tried, and I don't know why I don't have any more in my collection, but I do think that I really need to try and rectify that. This is Orly on the edge. It is a indigo purple color. I love it. Anything purple, guys, I just have a thing for purple. And lastly, I'll be using Bad Bitch Polish Stop the Violets. This is such a lovely violet color. I kid you not. If I could paint myself purple, I'd probably do it. So now that I have all the colors arranged like this on my stamper head, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start to just lightly press them onto my nails like so, and then I start to just move the stamper around to make sure that there aren't any white spots left, and you get this messy looking result. gone ahead and cleaned up around my cuticles, and now I'll be applying one final coat of Girly Cosmetics What a Rush top coat. And just look how everything came together, especially after the top coat is on. I love the results of Smoosh Manny nails because not all the nails ever come out the same. And here's the final look of my rainbow Smoosh Manny nails, guys. As I was saying, look at how stunning and simple this was. And what I love the most about it is that not all the nails come out the same. As you can see, each nail is different. Some colors are more dominant than others, and that's what makes this so much fun. As always, guys, thank you so much for sticking around with me and continuing to watch my videos. Please do give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you liked or disliked it. And as always, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I do have more videos posted. As always, all the products used will be listed down below, and please feel free to leave any comments and or questions. As always, guys, stay glamorous.